welcome to MojisStyle Plus.
And welcome back. I hope you're all doing great. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So today's video is going to be on wall art using Dollar Tree items. So if you want to see how I made it, just keep watching. So here's my inspiration here. This is from Neiman Marcus and it is going for over $1,000 for all 8 panels. And I was also inspired by this to create one unit instead of creating 8 panels. So here are the items that I'm using. I'm using 6 of these mirrors from the Dollar Tree, and here is the barcode here in case you need it. And I'm also using this picture frame here. Okay, it took me like 3 weeks to find all 30, so definitely pick this up if you find it. I've seen some of my sisters here on YouTube like Pestilence Bless and Trisha make some beautiful piece using this frame, so definitely pick it up if you find it. And I'm also using this board here that I picked up from Home Depot. It is $6.99 for a 2x4, and I had it cut to 2x2 by 8. So I'll be positioning my mirror onto my board. So I have 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom. Next, I'm removing the frame surrounding my mirror, and it's very easy because it is plastic, so it makes it very easy to remove. Next, I'll be using my E6000 to place my mirror onto my board. So all I'm doing here is applying my E6000 onto the board, and I'm going to be placing my mirror onto that. And you want to make sure that it's properly aligned with the bottom mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat that for the rest of the mirrors here. So next, I position my picture frame onto my mirrors just to kind of have an idea of how I want it. I have 4 going down, 5 going across, and I have 6 rows. There's a space between the first and the second row, and there's a space between the third and the fourth, and a space between the 5th and the 6th. And then I'm also placing 1 picture frame over 4. And for the tabs in the back, I actually left it because it was just going to be too much, and you can actually see it when it's all done, so definitely leave it if you can't do that. And I have a 0.2 spacing for the things that I did mention. And next, I'm applying my E6000 onto my picture frame, and we're going to be placing that right onto the mirror. And you want to make sure that it's all properly aligned. So I'm going to go ahead and just repeat the same steps for all of the rows here. So we have the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th row. And then I just kind of checked it to make sure that it was all properly aligned. So here it is. Here I have all my picture frame onto my mirror. So for the next step, we're going to be placing that top picture frame here onto 4 of the other picture frames. So I decided to use hot glue instead of E6000 because the E6000 didn't work. So I used hot glue to secure this top frames onto my art. So I did that for all 6 top picture frames. And here's the LED candle that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I actually wanted to use the silver, but after going to like 5 different Dollar Trees, I couldn't find 6 of them, so I decided to use the gold one here. Let me know down in the comment section, would you use silver or would you use gold? And this is what the silver would actually look like. I think it's really nice, but I actually like the way the gold really gives it a contrast. But let me know in the comments down below if you would use silver or if you would use the gold candles. So to attach the candles onto this art here, we're going to be using hot glue. So I went ahead and I just applied a little bit of hot glue, and then I placed my candle onto my art. And I didn't put too much hot glue because just in case I want to change that out, you can always change it out and put something else there. It would make it easy not to damage your art. And to turn it on, all you do is just switch it at the bottom, and it's super easy. And here's the final result of this DIY here. I really love the way this turned out, and it really goes well with my style. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, so gorgeous. I just love the way this turned out. The way that I imagined it, it actually turned out to be a whole lot more beautiful. So I'm so happy with the way this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, I'd love for you to join the MojisStyle family by hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, you guys have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye bye.